In this video, we're going to walk through TopDawg's Walmart import list. By the end of this tutorial, you'll understand how to manage your Walmart integration from one centralized dashboard. Let's get started. Before we begin, if you have multiple store integrations, make sure you've selected the Walmart store from the Integrated Stores dropdown. Once your store is connected and you've added products to your import list, click on Walmart Import List from your dashboard. This is where you'll manage your products before they're imported to Walmart. At the top of the page, you'll see your import list totals. This section gives you a quick overview of your account activity and product status. You'll see your product variant limit, which tells you how many variants your membership allows. Right next to it is your product variant count, showing how many variants you've already added. You'll also see how many variants have successfully synced with your store, how many are currently out of stock, and which have been discontinued. If anything is actively syncing, it will appear under processing. This snapshot helps you quickly understand what's happening with your inventory at any time. Now let's talk about pricing. One of the most powerful features of the Walmart import list is the ability to control your pricing before products are synced to Walmart. Under the default product pricing section, you can adjust how your retail prices are calculated. You can set a base price, apply a markup, add a fixed cost, or combine these options. Whatever you choose will apply to all products in your import list. Once you've made your changes, click Apply to save them. If you want more flexibility, select the Custom option and open the Custom Pricing Formula tool. This allows you to build your own pricing structure based on your business model. Next, let's look at shipping. In the TD Default Shipping Cost section, you can adjust your shipping settings before syncing products to Walmart. For the Walmart integration, we recommend selecting one of TopDawg's shipping estimates. This helps ensure your shipping costs are aligned and competitive on the Walmart marketplace. You also have the option to add a markup or a fixed amount to your base shipping cost if needed. TopDawg allows you to include the shipping cost directly in your product selling price. For Walmart, this setting is strongly recommended. When this option is turned on, you're able to properly account for shipping within your price. Including shipping in your selling price allows you to offer free shipping to customers, which can improve visibility and increase conversions on Walmart. Once you've finished adjusting your shipping settings, click Apply to save your changes. Now let's talk about adding products to your store. If you want to sync a single product, locate it in your import list and click Add to Store. TopDawg will automatically sync the product details, all available variants such as sizes and colors, inventory levels, images, and pricing. Once completed, you'll see an Action Successful status. If you want to sync multiple products at once, use the checkboxes to select specific items or choose Select All. Then click Bulk Actions and choose Sync with Store. Only the selected products will sync. You can also use filters to narrow down products before performing bulk actions. And that's it. The Walmart import list gives you centralized control over your product limits, pricing strategies, shipping setup, and syncing process. Once you understand how to use it, managing your Walmart store through TopDawg becomes simple and efficient.
Connect, simplify, scale. TopDawg, leading the pack in dropshipping.